farm, and it's fall time. Josh, where exactly are we?
We are in the pheasant flyway pens.
And what's growing in the pheasant flyway pens, Josh?
Besides pheasants, we got pumpkins and corn and sunflowers and who knows what else.
Who knows what else? And the pumpkins are here because the pheasants are going to be eating them. They drop to the ground and the pheasants will break them up, and they'll not only eat the rind, but they eat the very nutritionally dense seeds inside. And they'll be here until November, maybe even into December. So they're adding food, but also they're adding pollination to the whole farm because there's so many flowers attached to pumpkins and other cucurbitaceae, which is the family, that we've got tons of bumblebees and honeybees here. So that's what we just saw just now.
Who would have thought? Turkeys eating pumpkins. Their favorite food. Little slice of heaven.